Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to automate sending text message reminders to your clients a couple days before their appointment. We will achieve this by integrating Calendly, Zapier, and Twilio. Log into your Zapier account and click on Create a New Zap. For the trigger, search for and select Calendly. The trigger event will be invitee created. This means the workflow will start whenever someone books an appointment with you. Connect your Calendly account to Zapier by following the on-screen prompts. Under Event Type, choose the specific event you want to associate with this reminder. Finally, test this step. Zapier will pull out a recent booking record to confirm this connection is working correctly. The next step is implementing the delay. This step is crucial for sending the reminder at a desired time before the appointment. Click the plus icon to add a new step and select Delay by Zapier. From the Delayed Until drop-down menu, select the event start time from your Calendly data. Now you will specify the delay period. To send the reminder 48 hours in advance, you will input minus 48 hours. You can customize this to any time frame you need. For the next drop-down, select Always Continue. Test this step to ensure the delay is configured as expected. To ensure the appointment details are presented clearly in the text message, we'll format the date and time. Click the plus icon and choose Formatter by Zapier. Set the action event to date/time. In the Configure section, click the three dots next to the To Format option and select Custom. Here, you will type mm/dd/yy to format the date, while other options can be left as default. You can also adjust your time zone if necessary. Test the step to verify the date is formatted correctly. Add another Formatter by Zapier step for the time. The action event will again be date/time. For the input, use the same event start time from Calendly. This time in the To Format option, type H:MMA to display the time in a 12-hour format with AM/PM. Test this final formatting step. Now it's time to set up the final action, sending the text message. Add a new step and select Twilio. The action event will be Send SMS. Connect your Twilio account. You will need your account SID and authentication token, which can be found on your main Twilio dashboard. In the From Number dropdown, select your active Twilio phone number. For the To number, you will map the client's phone number from the initial Calendly trigger data. Now compose your message. You can include the formatted date and time from the previous steps to personalize the reminder. For example, hello client name, this is a reminder of your upcoming appointment on the formatted date at the formatted time. Test this step. A text message should be sent to the number you specified. The most critical step is to publish your Zap. Once published, this automation will run every time a new appointment is booked, ensuring your clients receive timely reminders. Thank you for following this tutorial. For more automation tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe.